Aave may experience a mild 1.7% retreat by August 8, 30 rates shows. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. As of now, Aave has moved up 1.9% in 24 hours and is currently at $90.39. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. According to CoinCodex, a downward push to $89.78 by August 8 is likely, dropping around 0.7%. CoinLore projects Aave might move lower toward $89.27. That's about 1.2% down. CoinDataFlow points out it could drop to $88.98, roughly 1.6% below now. A different prediction by 30 rates expects Aave to touch $88.85, an estimated drop of 1.7%. Finally, Gov Capital sees the value moving down to $88.46 by tomorrow, 2.1% under now. This is the top profit forecast. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a drop of 2.1% and a decline of 0.7%, depending on the analyst. That means Gov Capital is forecasting the highest return with 2.1% gain in value by August 8. Ultimately, you could realize between $7 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility patterns, CoinCodex's forecast emerges as the most likely scenario with an 88.2% chance of success. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. Consensus points to Aave trading near $89.07. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus projection places the price down about 1.5%. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 1.5%. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $15 gained. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 83.3%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. CoinCodex suggests the market will hold its ground. CoinLore describes the near-term path as bearish. Additionally, CoinDataFlow expects Aave to head lower. A drop is also expected by 30 rates, reinforcing the downside view. A gain is anticipated by Gov Capital, who remains bullish. Based on the consensus, Aave is expected to slide lower in the near term. So, 80% of the outlooks point to Aave weakening during this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. As a result, the day wrapped up at $89.76. 4 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. If accuracy is the key factor, Traders Union ranked first. Now for a clear breakdown. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. For ROI, there were several strong results, and 30 rates came out on top. Up next is the recap table. A quick look at how all forecasts performed. For today's numbers, CoinDataFlow had 91.7% forecast probability and minus 1.3% in profitability. Accuracy came in at $1.25. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Aave and other cryptocurrencies. At the top of the forecast ranking stands Kaspa with 3.6%, while Aave ranks lower. At the moment, Aave is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others is already live on my website. And that's today's summary. Stay subscribed to see tomorrow's accuracy check. See you tomorrow.